Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. HBAR has shown a fantastic reaction to the support zone, the yellow support zone. I already updated earlier today on Discord that news-driven rallies in crypto, they often lead to high B waves. I mean, this looks really impulsive, but this is clearly driven by a news event. This is not the channel for talking about news, but you know what I'm talking about, BlackRock news. But crypto-driven news often lead to three-wave rallies, high B waves and stuff like that. B waves can even overshoot, but I want to share with you the outlook. I mean, even if this is a high B wave rally and it breaks down again and touches support again, obviously we have a bullish outlook as communicated before against the 4.8 cent level. So as long as this level is holding, higher prices are overall expected. And it could be, I just want to make sure that you understand that it is possible and you shouldn't be surprised if this rally fails. But if it persists and if the Sunday low, was it Sunday low? Oh, we'll zoom in a minute. 1 second. I think it's the Friday low, isn't it? Daily chart. Yeah, if the Friday low holds, then we should see a rally in a third wave now. That's in line with previous updates, so that we have a wave 1 here. Wave 2 to the downside. Wave 3 would be unfolding and should reach 44 cents. I believe we talked about that target area in the previous video. Here, minimum target for the third wave is 36. First ideal target is 44 cents. Okay, and then we should get a wave 4 and wave 5. These micro targets can still change, and it's possible the third wave extends. Then the fifth wave will extend as well. Looking at the bigger picture, which I see as a large ABC structure, the C wave could reach $2.26. This is way too far away to trade for it. So I'm not the person who tells you it will get to $2.26. That's a mathematical projection, and HBAR really needs to hurry up to get there. We'll see. It's a mathematical projection. For now, we have to see, does the last low hold? And then we can talk about the structure here as we climb towards 44 cents, which levels need to hold. So first of all, this would have to be an ABC rally. Why? Because this rally is also an ABC. So wave 1 is an ABC structure. That's why this cannot be a third wave. This has to be a C wave, you know, in this context, because it's a corrective rally. It's just corrective. ABC, that means the C wave is an ending diagonal. So if we push higher, and by the way, ignore the yellow count for now. That's the bearish scenario that we said it's there, but it's not preferred in a bull market. So now we go to the 4-hour chart, and if we say, okay, alternatively, the wave 2 might still be unfolding. Preferred would be obviously with a move like that the low is in, but we just have to be very mindful that this could easily still break down. We've seen it many times in the crypto world. Now, this looks a bit impulsive, so it is possible that the A wave is a 5-wave move. It's always tricky because A waves can be 3-wave rallies or 5-wave rallies. So it's possible that we had here a wave 1, wave 2. This might be another 1-2 setup, and so it will unfold like that, okay? This would be the way how most people would count this move. I'm very much aware that this initial move looks more like an A wave. So again, we will probably see shifts in the microstructure. We'll probably see shifts in the microstructure. Not convinced by this micro count, but it allows us to define a support level, okay? And yeah, I mean, you could even say this might be another 1-2 setup. That doesn't make much sense because the second wave 1 basically has the same length as the first wave 1. Okay, as you can see here, 1 second. And if this one has reached a 100% extension, I would rather call that an ABC pattern. Okay, it's not. Okay, that's fine then. Just checking, that's why Fibonacci work is so important. Okay, we might call that a 1-2, 1-2. Okay, no, that's fine. That allows us to define a micro support area. Now, because things are moving so quickly, this is outdated when I update the video, but for now, it's the 50% retracement, 10.7 cents. That's micro support. And that's how this could unfold. Okay. That's sort of how I see HBAR unfold. But I want to make sure that everybody understands, while all of crypto Twitter is super hyped, everybody understands that these rallies in the crypto space, they tend to fail as 3-wave rallies. Okay, so I will highlight that maybe as, I don't know, orange, purple maybe. It's always difficult to see these. Some of these colors aren't very visible. I don't know. Let's put in orange. Okay, so orange basically is the high B wave scenario in which this here is an ABC rally. Okay, and even this B wave can extend a bit further. So just be aware of it. That as soon as 10.7 cents gets a sustained break, it's a good indication, early indication, that this is starting to break down. But then, you know, the yellow box could be there again as support. That's sort of my perspective on the HBAR chart. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.